Top stories. Manipur government orders all departments to put off recruitment process. Dinner face-off indicates dissent persistent in Bahrain government, say sources. And Minister Shyam Kumar inaugurates Veterinary Hospital at Manipur Zoological Garden. Hello and good evening, I'm ONEL Samandram giving you the Times of Manipur English News. Government of Manipur Department of Personnel and Administration Reforms Personnel Division has notified that all departments including agencies, societies, undertaking boards, corporations, etc. should put on hold of any recruitment process currently undertaken by them, whether regular, casual or ad hoc appointments with immediate effect. This was informed in a press release by Nidhi Kesarwani, Special Secretary, DP, Government of Manipur. It also stated that no recruitment process shall be resumed or initiated without specific permission or instruction from the Department of Personnel. Tom TV met with economist Dr. Chinglen Maisnam. Let's hear what he has to say about the current scenario.
Recruitment ban masi sarkarna magi financing gi leiriba hojiki film jina maram oidana masi ban tobune na khalle ado ban tobasigi mathaksida aina muk singnajari di khogi piga aduga khogi pension adu interest payments masi bokto yoksal kadra haibagi masi madi khogi committed liabilities madi masi committed payments madi togdoba sugya yadabane anu masidigi mo makhatan default agadi yamna aruba virtual anarchy je sugya thokadori bane anu masi hoi hojikki di khoi temporary measure haitare anu short term pain khradi long term gain gidam da tawbata bane ba tawbudabu masi yamna permanent oiba nature om da changhin gargadi maduna hena koi political stability social stability desu hena chauna character isam chamba economic crisis financial crisis in maram oidana hena social and political chaos adu uncertainty ma'am thorpa madu yabagi film je layeba.
Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Yumnam Khemchan and 3 ministers, including T.H. Biswajit Singh of the BJP-led coalition government in Manipur, reportedly skipped the state dinner hosted by Chief Minister and Biren in honor of Myanmar delegates at Hotel Imphal yesterday. Reliable sources informed that Minister L. Dikho and Letpao Hapkyu were out of town. However, Minister T.H. Biswajit and Speaker Y. Khemchan were in Imphal. The dinner face-off indicates that dissent persistent within the Biren government, sources said. It may be noted that Chief Minister Biren recently announced for a cabinet reshuffle. Some political analysts believe that absence of the minister at the high-level dinner party was believed because of the present political tussle. Apart from them, 6 BJP MLAs and 20 opposition MLAs also stayed away from the dinner party. Mention may be made that Speaker Y. Khemchan and Minister T.H. Biswajit were present at the dinner hosted by the governor at the Raj Bhavan on June 10th. A new veterinary hospital along with 3 cages for slow lorries, Yong Ikai TV, was inaugurated by State Forest and Environment Minister T.H. Shyam Kumar today. 90% of the total cost of the veterinary hospital was sponsored by Central Zoo Authority CZA and the remaining 10% by the Manipur Forest Department. The 150 square meter veterinary hospital consists of 1 operation theatre, 1 X-ray machine, 1 sterile room, 1 examination room, 1 room for doctors and staffs. It also has an inpatient and quarantine ward. On the occasion, Minister T. Shyam Kumar stated that humans and nature are always inseparable. He added, fauna is a part of the natural environment, so it is important to take good care of them.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯤꯡꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯛ ꯍꯤꯡꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝꯗ ꯄꯥꯏꯈꯠꯂꯛꯄ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯣꯡꯊꯥꯡ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯄꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯂꯝꯗꯝꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯎꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯀꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯕꯝꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯃꯍꯧꯁꯥ ꯈꯟꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯥꯏꯍꯟꯕꯤꯒꯅꯨ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯎ ꯊꯥꯕ ꯁꯥ ꯎꯆꯦꯛꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯍꯥꯠꯄꯤꯗꯕ ꯃꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯅꯤꯡꯈꯥ ꯇꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯥꯡꯂꯕ ꯃꯥꯂꯦꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯤꯡꯕ ꯌꯥꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯄꯥꯎꯖꯦꯜꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯄꯤꯖꯩ.
Governor of Manipur, Dr. Nazma Hapchila, called on Prime Minister Narendra Modi and former BJP National President and Union Home Minister Amit Shah in Delhi and congratulated them on winning the 17th Lok Sabha election with thumping majority and forming union government for the second term. Governor also appraised the Prime Minister and his Home Minister on the present law and order situation and the current political crisis prevailing in the state arising out of leadership tussle. She also drew the attention of the Prime Minister towards taking up more developmental work in the state. The Reserve Bank of India (RBI) has banned withdrawal of funds from the Manipur government's account with effect from June 11th. RBI Assistant General Manager Anita Kumari, in a letter to Chairman of State Bank of India yesterday, instructed to cease payments of Manipur government while stating that the government account has been overdrawn in excess of the arrangements agreed upon the RBI. The present government has failed to produce a white paper on the present financial condition of the state. Economist Dr. Chinglen Maisnam said the present economic crisis should be monitored between the Chief Minister and Finance Minister to control the financial crisis in the state before heading towards fiscal collapse.
Ziki Manipur ki acute financial crisis hai masi ki yang maru ba aina khanjabada reasons hai masi nuti numit khuding gi leiriba magi sarkar gi sengaw da leiriba magi treasury da leiriba reserves hai cash reserves se mikup kang dana masi koi monitor toba machangam mane ana size data koi chief minister adu finance minister ani gi yamna koi gi relationship se yamna fagatpam changen ani si ngang like masi monitor to maramdi lairiba san tumgi health si nomugi fasil lagtabanina nuti numit kudingi cash balance kyam lairi kayam chatkre haibisi yenga kanda balance da masi problem leidobo orgadi matam chan khoi control to hom sange ana sigi khoi magi cash ki balance si matam chan check to busisu financial transparency accountability aduga discipline gi masi gi saruk amane ana hojik lairiba film sina machine chali base koi we are heading towards financial collapse ne fiscal collapse ne and collapse gi henjan gargadi virtual anarchy thokadoi ne finance da aduga magi fiscal front da thokadori ne.
Well, it's now time for a short commercial break. Stay tuned.
Manipur ki ahanba 24/7 cab service oriba lamjingba cab service na miyang seba da lejari apamba service khanbiyo economic rate rupees 15 per kilometer standard rate rupees 25 per kilometer luxury rate rupees 55 per kilometer with base fare of rupees 40 Manipur ki district singi maru oina Senapati Ukhrul Churchanpur Kakching More Chandela chingba sing Chananabagisu ataba mamalda book tawbiba yaragani Manipur gi mapan gi lamsing haibadi Guwahati Shillong Dimapur Silchar na chingba sing chananabagisu book tawbiyu loinana luhongba amadi atopa thabak thorom ki damakta su akhanaba discount pizari hena kupa marol gi damak contact tawbiyu aikhoi gi contact number 1800102795 natraga 8794613154 aikhoi gi website www.lamjingbacaf.com
Nauka Hearing Aid Center Kumja listing ama chawpan marifom doi ki hona chai kuntramanga hena Notice India ahan hearing aid clinic mo ine lereklaba Nauka gi Infal Center ma hangjare TV ma di phone konjel loinana nil khongum fam na ta ngam da gi awaba mayok na di bana al koding mag wabi rogano Nauka Hearing Aid Clinic ngasi makleng sim directuna completely invisible water resistant ama di rechargeable loida digital hearing aid hapiu ta ngam gi pangal wana badom gi khang chana ba single power se tambio ai khoi gi leifam di Nagamapal Main Road Phogoi Sangbam Lekai near Community Hall mobile number na 6000954159
Manipur gi ahanba private satellite channel Tom TV Times of Manipur cable TV service athuba matamda hauziragani. Lamjingba group ki unit ama oiriba Tom TV cable networking service ki distributor kharasu pamjai. Hena kupamaro gi damak Nagamapal Rims Road Nityananda Temple manakta laiba Lamjingba group ki corporate building natraga aikhoi gi mobile number 8132089758 asida contact tawirau. Khudong chaba se manghanbiganu. Fitness Arena, Fitness Unlimited, facilities available, combat cardio, steam room, aerobic, freestyle, dance workout, TRX functional, TRX rip trainer, TRX suspension trainer, nutrition, shower, towel service, locker, gym floor, boot camp, Muay Thai, yoga, cardio, etc. It is also an authorized distributor of imported supplements including Muscle Farm, Ultimate Nutrition, Gaspari, One Science, Grenade and many more from Muscle House, India. Admission fee ₹1,000 only. General category gi oina tha amada lupa chanipan, tha ahumda lupa lising aniga chama, tha taruk ki oina lupa lising mari, sahi gi oina lupa lising taruk ka chaunga. Dynamic Movement Training DMT gi oina tha ahumda lupa lising mapan, tha tarukta lupa lising taraga mga, sahi gi oina lupa lising Gataru. Offer 40% discount for the first 20 members only for Dynamic Movement Training DMT. Kudong saba si lobina bagidamak ngasimak langsin biro Pulse Fitness Arena, Gobindazuri Road, Palace Compound, Imphal East. Aikhoi contact number 9711730877 amasung 038524411143.
Welcome back. Condemning the act of torching a school van belonging to SL Kids Arena School, Kongpal Khaidiam Laikai, Pung Lambi in the midnight of June 9 at Sombung Block, get by unknown miscreants. A sit-in protest was staged at Sombung Market, Forest Gate today. Talking to a reporter, executive member of SL Arena of Learning School, who is also the owner of the van, TH Iboyaima expressed resentment against the incident and strongly condemned the act of arson. He also demanded the culprits to clarify the incident while appealing to the authorities concerned to look into the matter and prevent such incidents from happening in future.
Magi benasi karidamakta mai thadok piramino maramdi manasi mai sakhiba matamda wahori basi magi family amasung ben rutungiba angang sing amasung guardian sing su yauna wai haibasi koi tasingna adunamakta koi nungaitaba phongtokchari kanagumba Mari lainaba singna tawramba taragasu athubu matamda singtokpiro haina koi union gi site gi haijari.
We haven't heard of the incidents where the educational institutions or the drivers and the transport association were being attacked from different angles, not obeying the norms and responsibilities undertaken by the drivers and the transport union of the students association here in Manipur. They drew the attention of the authorities concerned and the related department in order to look into the matters so that such untoward incidents may not happen in the future. With camera person Ibung Wasana, Blessing Gangmai for Tom TV News, Sombung.
Action Committee for Drinking Water, OINAM, held a public meeting yesterday over the prolonged delay of functioning of OINAM Urban Accelerator Water Supply Scheme. During the meeting chaired by retired teacher Ibochoba Kuman, the locals decided to organize a sit-in protest at OINAM Market on 15th of this month to push for demands of quick functioning of the water supply scheme. Talking to media persons, convener of the committee, Oinam Hemant Singh, said a memorandum was submitted to the government on June 3rd, urging for early functioning of the water supply scheme. However, there is no response from the government so far, he lamented. He warned of a statewide ban if the concerned authority does not take steps to fulfill the demands at the earliest.
Hoina tawbu matamda kanan su karim to tawbu ngamo haibige wakhalon manba adugumba khara urakpadagi ngasidi akhoi asawa mayam singa che mai hongdana ngasidi karigumba khongjang khadi sanghan batai haibadagi ngasidi akhoi khongjang ma khoina sanghan namba phirebam lorakpani.
Treasurer of the committee Chongtham Anobi Devi also expressed anger over the present condition of the water supply scheme while drawing attention of the concerned department.
Kanam tana yengsan bidadana mapung phana sathadre mafam sida naha sing haitare nupa masa oiro khara inkhalakpa oiro khuding mak singse nomagi manungda pullaga yu botan se pora ga mafam sida asa athak leira aga party tawba nongalakpata pungchai chakhaira thambiramba madugi loisanbina ba mi leitaba.
Ahead of the Great June Uprising Unity Day 2019, which falls on 18th of this month, office bearers and board members of Kumai.com conducted a cleaning program at Kekrupat, Imphal. The participants cleaned the memorial sites of the fallen heroes on June 18 and its surrounding areas. Talking on the sidelines of the event, board member of Kumai.com, Wahengbam Thoi, stated the program was conducted in honor of the martyrs who lost their lives for the sake of the land on June 18, 2001. Thoi added, Kumai.com will continue to conduct such programs in the future too.
Samasta karigumba khara tawramaga miyamgi oiba kanagadaba miyamgi oiba historical oigadaba mongda khoina mateng pangbase pamjabane sumnagi media amoina leiba natabida miyamgi oiba sarukta su khara yajaninge.
District Legal Services Authority Bishnupur, in association with District Bar Association Bishnupur and District Administration Bishnupur, have jointly organized a one-day legal service camp at Mini Secretariat Multipurpose Hall of DC Complex Bishnupur today. The program was organized to make aware of various government schemes meant for the needy and poor. District Social Welfare Officer and Jyotis, Advocate Ramananda, Director of Childline Bishnupur L. Pisak, Principal of Royal Academy of Law L. Jugeshwar were the main guests at the program. Speaking during the event, L. Jugeshwar explained about various government-sponsored schemes meant for elderly women, widows and families under below poverty line. He also urged each and every person to take benefit of the 22 legal clinic services available in the district, especially Royal Academy of Law of Oinam. As part of the event, free health care services were also given to several people. Secretary of Kongpal Social Development Organization Naurim Dinesh Singh has appealed to all the auto rickshaw drivers driving along the route from Imphal City to KSDO should submit their registration certificate book and permit photocopy till 15th of this month. Drivers failing to submit the copies may be banned from driving along the said route. This is informed during an executive meeting held at Kongpal Mayaileka yesterday. International Human Rights Organization, Manipur State and Technopole Village Authority have jointly organized recognition from prior learning campaign under Swachh Bharat mission under the Tourism and Hospitality Skill Council Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana at Technopole along Imphal Moray Road. President of International Human Rights Organization Oinam Jotin and Technopole Village Chief Tengkoin Mate were also present during the program. Under such campaign, a sum of ₹2 lakh of free accident insurance can be benefited by persons between the ages of 18 to 55 years. Oinam Jotin explained about the benefits of the insurance scheme and later distributed the insurance form to the villagers. It's now time for another short break. Stay tuned.
Hello.
Hello. Pakhong ama chalake.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan tauge haradi.
Oh, phau pambi thabiyo.
Okay. Chahi taragi plan tauge haradi.
U pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo.
Macha kaina afaba school haidi.
Lanai coaching tawagi awaba lehendaba school du da dum chang na coaching tohonba.
Mama mapaga chamana na warak watembi ba.
Gym, aerobic, dance, football, thangta.
Mamang da 12 exam ki topper su puthokraba.
Khwaidagi chawba, nanba, khwaidagi phaba school.
Last balkong. Kari school no.
Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra.
Chumme yam khangi ko.
Yes, only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
Vigyo Institute of Management and Information Technology affiliated to Manipur University, Kanchipur. BBA amadi BCA gi oina chahi ahumgi dual certification courses 2019-20 gi damak admission hauzare. Coursing asi tambada DCA, Triple CA amadi Tally gi short term course ama lemna tambagi khudong chabasu pisari. BBA amadi BCA gi oina lakliba July thadagi class hauzaragani. Adai khudong chabasingdi state of art infrastructure, well furnished and equipped classrooms, qualified and well experienced faculties, visiting faculty from industry and academia, placement cell, computer lab with internet facilities, library, canteen, conference halls and playground. Akaknaba seat masingni amadi hostel gi facility su pizari. Prospectors amadi form gidamak lengsin birau Vimit Sangai Prau FCI Road opposite MSPDCL office Imphal West. Akupa marol gidama contact tobirau 700-561-3687 natraga 700-5845-205. Ekogi website www.vimitinfal.com. Email vimitinfal@gmail.com.
Manipur University de affiliate Tauba South Asian Institute of Rural and Agricultural Management Langsing Achoba Imphal West ki admission tauzari coursing adudi BSc Agriculture, BSc Horticulture, Bachelor of Business Administration BBA Nupa amasung nupi ki hostel gi khudong chaba leijari akaknaba seat kharatani akupa marol gi damak www.sairam.org.in natraga phone number 7641929924 natraga 8258801014 natraga 9612812346 ta contact taubiu.
Admission is going on. Saraswati Institute of Management and Paramedical Science Pangai, opposite to 6 IRB MPTC Pangai, Pangai Road, Imphal, Manipur. North East ki oina ihan hana Saraswati Institute of Management and Paramedical Science Pangai na BSc Forensic Science course Manipur da hangle. Mapalam da chatrabasu hayeng mag college cha lakituna admission tobi horo akakna basitni.
प्रधानमंत्री कौशल विकास योजना PMKVY की मखादा टेलरिंग, एम्ब्रॉयडरी, हैंडलूम, वीविंग, डाइंग, वापिंग, टेक्सटाइल डिजाइनर सिंह फ्री ट्रेनिंग पांगथुक सगदौरी. ट्रेनिंग सिंह याविंग बसिंगना KB Philanthropy 5 की वेबसाइट www.kbphilanthropy.org रजिस्टर तौबियु. अकोपा मरोल की दमक कॉल तौबियु 03852427 नत्रगा 8118936684 नत्रगा 8794276615.
Welcome back. The dance troupe comprising of Manipuri film artists who recently performed Rongmei dance at the Moirang Thangzing Lai Harauba Festival met with the members of Lainingthau Sanamahi Temple Board last afternoon at the Lainingthau Sanamahi Temple Board, Imphal. This was informed in a press release from the Lainingthau Sanamahi Temple Board today. It also mentioned that during the meeting, it was decided that prior permission should be sought from the concerned communities before performing dances or songs in future in order to create any type of controversy. Indian Air Force has successfully airdropped 8 to 10 personnel in 2 helicopter sorties near the crash site of AN-32 aircraft in Arunachal Pradesh. The personnel started moving towards the site searching for more wreckage and possible survivors. The wreckage of the aircraft, which had 13 people on board, was found yesterday, 8 days after it went missing. Gujarat has launched a massive evacuation exercise to save 3 lakh people from low-lying areas in Saurashtra and Kutch regions as cyclone Vayu advances towards the Gujarat coast. The Gujarat government is in constant touch with Orissa in view of the eastern states' successful handling of similar calamities like Cyclone Fani last month and Cyclone Titli last year. In both the cases, Orissa was successful in reducing human casualties during the proper handling of the situation. Orissa government evacuated above 15 lakh people to save place ahead of Cyclone Fani's landfall near Puri. Meanwhile, Cyclone Vayu has turned into a very severe cyclonic storm and it is likely to cause gusty winds to blow at a speed of 145 km per hour to 170 km per hour by tomorrow morning. According to Indian Meteorological Department, a 2-day holiday has been declared in schools and colleges in 10 districts, while the Coast Guard, Army, Air Force and BSF have been put on high alert. A scuffle broke out in central Kolkata today over the Bharatiya Janata Party's march to Lal Bazar, the headquarters of Kolkata police. Police used water cannons and fired tear gas cells to disperse hundreds of BJP supporters who broke barricades put up by the police. Normal life has come to a standstill in central Kolkata over BJP's plan to march to the Kolkata police headquarters. The march was called to protest an attack on BJP workers at Sandeshkali in North 24 Parganas on June 8. In Hong Kong today, chaotic scene erupted as tens of thousands of demonstrators stormed key roads next to government offices to protest against a proposed extradition bill that would allow people to be sent to mainland China for trial. Human rights groups have repeatedly cited the alleged use of torture, arbitrary detention, forced confession and problems accessing lawyers in China, where courts are controlled by Communist Party, as reasons why the Hong Kong bill should not proceed. China denies accusation that it tramples on human rights. It's now time for the newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, government planning to set up logistic park, says CM. Many unhappy with CM's declaration for cabinet reshuffle. KSA seizes expired fiddle goods. RTE Act to set up cover preschool stage. The People's Chronicle, CM keen to cement trade ties with Asian neighbors. Solution to BJP rift likely at New Delhi. News channel quizzes dancing Bihar MLAs, prop likely. RBI bans transaction on state government account. KSA unearths warehouse repackaging expired items. Imphal Free Press, huge potential for partnership and collaboration between Manipur and Myanmar, says CM. State government to urge Center for Peace talks with militant groups in Myanmar. Huge amount of expired food with fresh levels seized. People need to be cautious against immoral politicians, says NEIDP. Political alliance group sends firm against CAB. The Morning Bell, formalities for Imphal Mandalay bus service in final stages, says CM Biren. Police making wild charges against deceased constable, claims JAC. Wreckage of AN-32 aircraft found in Arunachal. Electric buses to ply on Guwahati road soon. Project Akansa says registration for women military police soldiers.
And before we wind up the top stories once again. Manipur government orders all departments to put off recruitment process. Dinner face-off indicates dissent persists in Bahrain governments, says sources. And Minister Shyam Kumar inaugurates Veterinary Hospital at Manipur Zoological Garden. That's all for now. Stay tuned to Times of Manipur.